Ever wake up, look into mirror, and see a puffy, swollen face staring back at you? You're not alone. And it's not genetics. It's simply lifestyle. Now, I know everybody told you to cut the sodium, drink more water, and exercise. You tried and failed. Listen, it's not your fault. I'm about to tell you the real reason no one has explained before. Number 1, we don't eat enough potassium. Potassium is your number one resource to flush out the water from your cells, and your daily potassium need, a lot higher than you think. Science shows daily potassium intake for adults should be 3.5 grams in males and 2.6 grams in females. Research shows only about 14% of the global population reaches that 3.5 grams level. The average person's intake is around 2 grams or less today. To keep your potassium intake high, stick to potatoes, bananas, and veggies. Number 2, stress. Stress makes your body react with cortisol. Cortisol tells your body to hold on to sodium. More water pulled into your cells. Result, balloon face in the morning. Number 3, poor sleep. Sleep is where our body makes all the cleaning. At sleep, your lymphatic system clears waste and extra fluid from the tissues. Without deep sleep, fluid pools under your eyes, cheeks, and jaw, making you look bloated. I recommend sleep 7 to 8 hours in a dark, cool room.